Welcome back to Work Smart Jamaica. Your salary might sound good, but your take home pay often feels much lower. And for most Jamaican workers, that gap is confusing and frustrating. In the last video, we broke down every line on a Jamaican payslip. Now, let's talk about the question most workers ask after payday. Why does my pay shrink? Your salary is what you earn before deductions. Your take home pay is what's left after deductions. Those two numbers are rarely the same. The difference comes from deductions. Some deductions are required by law, others depend on your situation. Here's something important to understand. A lower take home pay does not automatically mean your employer is cheating you. In many cases, it simply means deductions are being applied. But you should pay attention if your take home pay suddenly changes or if deductions increases without explanation. This is also why two people earning the same salary can take home different pay. Taxes, benefits, and thresholds all matter. We'll break that down clearly in the next video. The real issue isn't that deductions exist. The issue is when workers don't understand them. That's when mistakes go unnoticed. Now that you understand why your take home pay is less than your salary, the next step is understanding how taxes are actually calculated in Jamaica. In the next video, I'll explain income tax and the tax threshold in plain Jamaican English. Stay informed, stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.